Phase 1. The logic. Designing a reversible pneumatic transmission.
Mounting the V4 pneumatic heart. Precision fit.
Air pressure applied. Engine rotation confirmed, clockwise only. System is go.
Parallel output shaft aligned. Spacers locked.
First, the 20-tooth can gear. This locks in our forward drive. The driving ring slides into neutral. This red clutch is the heart of the transmission. Selector arm engaged. Now we control the flow. We build the cage tight. The axles must not shift under torque. Silicone grease is applied to the clutch ring and gear teeth to reduce friction before the stress test.
Power plant meets transmission. The universal joint bridges the gap. Adding mass to the output shaft to visualize the torque. System fully integrated, ready for initial stress testing. System active. Forward drive engaged. RPMs are stable.
Torque is high. The clutch refuses to engage.
The teeth are slipping. It's grinding plastic instead of locking in. The plastic axle can't handle the torque. It flexes, pops out of the socket, and creates a catastrophic jam.
Strip it down.
We need to clear the damage before we can rebuild. Torque overload. The standard plastic axle suffered catastrophic torsional fatigue, resulting in permanent structural deformation.
Fresh parts. Same design. Let's try again.
But standard ABS plastic has a torque limit. Watch the input shaft.
The torque was too much. The chassis couldn't handle the load. Plastic reached its limit. It's time to bring in the heavy metal.
Plastic is out. Hardened steel is in.
Steel ball bearings press in to eliminate plastic friction.
Doubling the chassis walls. Zero flex allowed.
Next, the heart of the transmission. A reinforced heavy-duty clutch designed to handle the torque.
Lithium grease. Essential for reducing friction between steel and plastic at high RPM.
Locking it down. Zero tolerance for vibration.
System sealed. Ramping to maximum pressure.
With steel axles, ball bearings, and reinforced housing, the system is finally bulletproof. Precision engineering wins.